morning, children. Good morning, sir. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Did you all do your homework?
Yes, sir.
Whoever didn't do, they can stand. Okay, sit down.
Sir,
What's the problem with you guys? And others? Tomorrow I am going to check your homework, and if I see anybody incomplete, I will send you out. Sit down. And okay, can we quickly recall what we studied in the last week for last 6 days? What we discussed? Wait a minute. Can anybody? Wait a minute. Stand.
Metals, non-metals, the properties.
Metals and non-metals.
Property of cluster.
Okay, metals, non-metals, and metal properties. What are those properties? Say any one of the properties.
Cluster.
Very good. Sit down. And you? Sonali.
Ductility of the
Say
metal.
any other property. Huh? Very good. And malleability. No pass answer. No pass. Sit down. Sit down. Yeah. Okay. Very good. Electric conductance. Conductance of heat. Okay. These are physical properties. And what are the chemical? Wait a minute. Do you know the question? Say no. What are the other chemical properties? Wait, just raise your hand. Just raise your hand. Okay, stand up. Reaction of metals with reaction of metals. In our 4th class, we studied reaction of metals with oxygen. Yeah. Then reaction of metals with we didn't discuss it. Stand up. Reaction of metals with water. Okay, very good. Sit down. And reaction of metals with stand up. Reaction of metals with very good. Sit down. So these are the reactions we studied to know how metal reacts with other substances. Okay, this is all fine, but why are we studying all these characters? Yeah, okay, good answer. Chemistry class. Stand up. What's the need of studying chemistry?
So we can understand what is metal, what is non-metal.
Very good. We can understand properties of metals, non-metals. And
And the reaction with metals with the acids.
yeah,
Liquids.
how metals react with other substances. So that what we can do? Will it be useful to us in any way?
Yes, sir.
How?
We can add acid with metals.
Say clearly, acid is?
As some metals are used in so many ways to us.
Exactly. Metals are used in so many ways. Why we study any property of anything? So that we can use it.
Yes, sir.
We can use it for our needs. We can use it for our comfort.
Protection.
Yeah. You wanna say anything else? You wanna add any other point? Okay. Very good. Sit down, Sujit. Rusting. Yeah. Rusting. So yeah, we are using many of the metals for our use, but it won't be that much fruitful if it get rusted or if it get spoiled so easily. So knowing the properties will help us to
Know what the thing can do.
yeah, to keep it safe. Yeah, exactly. So let's quickly know what are the uses of metals and non-metals. Right now. Uses. Concentrate on your class. Uses. Uses. So let's quickly understand what are the uses. How these metals and non-metals. Till now we studied only properties of metals. Here we are going to study uses of both metals and non-metals. Okay. Take 2 minutes and think what are the uses. How you are using it. Take 2 minutes. Take 2 minutes. Write it in your notes. Write it down. Take 2 minutes and write as many as you can. Don't restrict yourself with one use. Think both metals and non-metals. Even if it is wrong, it's okay. We'll classify, we'll change, we'll modify it. Write down as many as you can. Right. Write uses of these. Where is uses? Use. Where O2 is used? Write that one also. Very good. Keep writing. Write for non-metals also. For comfort, you mean which comfort? In which
Fan,
way?
AC.
Yeah, exactly. Mention that. Don't just write comfort or appliances. Write which appliance and write what is the comfort it's giving us. You can even predict if you want to suggest where it can be used. If you see something which is more and more reactive, you can even suggest one of the use. Whether it's wrong or right, just suggest, sir, we can use it here. Sir, why can't we use it here? Ask and discuss. Keep physical properties also in your mind so that it will be more easy to write. Physical properties. Is everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
So
With your views
Yes, sir.
and ideas?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more minute. Attempt. Come on, you can write still more. Think. How many you wrote? You can still write more. Think. Okay, time out. Let's start. Somebody from this row. This is raise your hand. Okay, so stand up. Say any use of a metal.
Sir, metal for protection.
Metal for protection. Very good. As metals are very strong, we can use it as use it for protection. Can you say any example?
Army, sir. Shields.
Very good.
Weapons.
Protection. Shields. Okay, sit down. Somebody from this row. Any use of non-metal?
So we can use carbon for making desks.
For making?
Desks, benches, tables.
Very good. We can use carbon for
Making desks,
benches, desks.
chairs,
Yeah.
tables,
Benches and
table.
many other things. So on. Tables. Yeah, very good. Sit down. Somebody from this row. Any use of? Okay, stand. Any use of metal? For cooking. Very good. For cooking. Which is a metal used in your home for cooking?
Pressure cooker.
Made up of
Pressure cooker metal.
steel. Very good.
Sir, can I ask you now?
Yeah,
Glass is a metal or non-metal, sir?
non-metal.
Carbon.
No, not exactly. Many times it's made up of even plastic and some of other metal, other non-metal. Cooking. Steel and actually, steel is not a pure metal. Steel is a alloy. ALLOY. Okay? Steel and many other metals are there. Iron. Okay. Wait a minute. Stand.
Board, sir.
Huh?
Board.
Board. Very good. Board. For sailing.
Non-metal, sir.
Board. BOARD.
Sir.
Yeah.
Boards can be used in water.
Board.
Water. Sir, non-metals means wood.
Board. There are even boards made up of iron. Even boards made up of wood.
Made of wood means in water it will sink easily also.
No, they will have a coating so that water won't be absorbed and water won't get inside. Okay? Yeah, stand up. Boards. Okay, your friend is asking why we can't make boards with gold. Wait, no. It's okay. Can anybody tell her? Yeah, stand up.
Because it's too expensive and it's a gold.
Very good and very simple.
And it will sink in.
Because it's very expensive.
And it will also sink easily, I think, sir.
No, it's not about sinking. It's because of we should use a metal being cost friendly. Okay, sit down. Yeah, of course. If we use a board made up of gold, we need not apply any paints or anything. It won't get rusted at all. Okay, even if it gets rusted, it will take so long time. Good. And any others? Okay. Now somebody from this row.
Non-metal, sir.
Any use of non-metals?
The oxygen is a part of a daily life.
Oxygen is?
Part of a daily life. It is very
Yeah, very good. Oxygen is part of our daily life. Respiration. What are you? Metal or non-metal? Sit down, sit down. Think. What are you? Are you a metal or non-metal? Non-metal. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Is everybody okay with his statement?
No. Yes,
Or anybody wants to? He is saying we consider we are made up of non-metals. Yeah, human body. Hey, stand up, stand up. You can ask him. You can discuss with him your point.
We have mental body, we have genes, we have some proteins inside it.
Yeah, okay, very good. Proteins are made up of.
Iron. We have iron in our body.
Very good. Sit down.
Non-metal cell.
Yeah, stand up. What's your name?
Yes.
Sujit. Okay, very good. She is telling we are even having iron and calcium and many of the metals also. How you are supporting your point?
Sir, because in proteins they know, sir.
Yeah.
They occupy some of the space in our body, sir.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
But most of our body contains water.
Very good. Very good.
Sir, in water, minerals will be there.
Yeah, of course. But here, wait, let me tell. Anybody wants to say anything? Very good, Sujit. Sit down. Any other views? Okay. As we are humans, as we are organic in nature, what and all our body constitute? Carbon,
Calcium. Calcium. Proteins.
Calcium.
Proteins. Vitamins. Protein. Vitamins.
proteins, vitamins made up of proteins, vitamins are organic. So those are non-metals. See, metal elements are iron. You know, for hemoglobin binding the particles, there will be a iron particle.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, iron and what else? Yeah, there are even many of the metal things, but most of our body, that means 99%, it is metal. See, non-metal. Non-metal, water, oxygen, and all this. So, can we say we are made up of non-metal elements?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. So let's come back into our topic again. Yeah, someone from this row. Okay, you don't respiration, right? Okay, somebody from this row. Uses of metal. Yes. Any others? I told you to write your observations. I mean your views. Plastic, wood, shapes, okay. These points over. And we are using okay. For wiring.
Electricity purpose.
Yeah. As metals can conduct electricity, we are using a wiring.
Copper, sir.
And here,
Copper.
wait, we are using this for wiring. And we cover
Plastic.
Plastic over it. For safety from electricity or heat. And heat. Any other properties?
Non-metal.
Metals or non-metals?
So,
Metals can form positive ions.
Very good. Metals can form, give rise to positive ion very easily. So how we can use it?
Sir, right?
You don't know? Okay, sit down. Metals are very reactive. So in some of chemical reagents.
Sir, I will tell what.
What?
I will tell.
Yes, can.
We use metals to test acids and water and so.
Very good. sometimes metals can even be used in testing, because we already know how metals react with acid. So for determining the solution, whether it is a acid or base, we can even use non-metals. See, we should use only non-metal. We should know the name of it. We should know particularly that whether it's metal or non-metal. Then only we can carry our experiment. Very good. In experiments, for testing purpose, we can use both of these for testing purpose. Both metal and non-metal, as we know the property of it.
So non-metal, sir.
Yeah.
Toys.
Toys, very good.
Sir, some toys.
Some toys will made up of non-metal
See,
also.
among these examples, there are common things. We can use even metal and non-metal.
Yes.
See, just now I told you, experiment purpose. For confirming whether it is, for confirmation purpose, we can even use metal and we can even use non-metal. Okay? Have a clarity whether we can use it both.
Sir, I meant not metals for construction, sir.
For construction, very good.
Steel rods.
Construction work.
Iron rods.
Okay, very good.
Sir,
Yeah, stand up. Wait. Yes.
for metals can't break easily.
What?
Metals can't break easily.
Very good. Metals are strong, and whereas here non-metals are brittle. So we can make some of the objects where we expect it to be strong. Okay?
Sir,
Yeah.
metals.
Sir, I will tell you.
For agriculture, sir, metals.
Same. Not both of you.
Sir, I
Any others?
First,
Wood.
Any?
Sir, wood.
Wait. Let's give chance to our friend. Okay. What?
What is our biology?
Only right? You wanna say any other thing? Any other users?
Black.
Yeah, benches we already discussed. You know, even benches also. We can make this with iron also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there is no specification. Huh? Yeah, wait a minute. Trees. We are not making it. We are asking, yeah, trees useful. But I am asking about where we are using it. The uses. We are not making trees. We are not making trees. We are just getting benefit from it. There is a difference. Okay. What?
Box.
Which box?
box.
No, sir, that one not sir.
Stationary box.
Wait, he is telling his point.
Sir,
Yes.
water is used for us to drink.
Maintain? Yeah, what is used for drinking? Very good. H2O. To maintain body balance. So there are some of the non-metals which are used for maintaining body balance.
Sir, that box telling sir.
Yeah, standard. Balance. To make vehicles. Very good.
Sir, can I tell on the?
Yeah, vehicles,
Sir.
appliances.
Sir, bike. Sir, most of the vehicles consist of plastic parts only, no, sir.
Yeah. We see for those parts where we need it to be strong, we are making it with metal. And where we can even replace metal with non-metal, we are using plastic parts. That's it. Yeah, stand up. Then what you wanna say?
Can I tell you?
Yeah.
In part of the some metals,
Say loudly. Sujit, can you hear? Say loudly.
పార్క్ లో కొన్ని ఉంటాయి కదా సార్ ఆడుకునే వస్తువులు ఉయ్యాల స్లైమ్స్ జాగ్రత్త
toys made of metal. Sit down. Wait a minute. Yeah, the same point is of telling. Very good, Sujit. And what's your name? Kavya. Very good, Kavya and Sujit. For agriculture purpose.
Sir, can you give an example?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Solar energy.
Sir, groundwater, sir.
Solar energy.
For bringing
Groundwater.
motors.
Yes, sir. And another thing is we can supply water to our fields for one concept only, sir.
Yeah, very good. In that event, when non-metals are used.
Yes, sir. Plastic pipes.
Yeah, the plastic pipes. Okay, wait a minute.
Sir, can I ask you?
Wait.
Sir, there will be drones, sir.
Yeah.
They made with plastic or metal, sir?
Wait, the required parts are made with metals and most of the parts will be with plastic because they should fly in it. What?
Cloth is used to cover the body.
Color?
Body.
Clothes are used, very good. Clothes are used to cover the body. Cloth. Okay, do you know, wait, do you know what we use in firecrackers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you know. What we use in firecrackers? Firecrackers.
Chemical powder.
Yeah, chemical powder. What is that chemical?
The name is
Yeah, okay.
Mandugundi, sir.
Okay, fine. So, we in firecrackers, we need something which is more reactive. Then only we can use it. And outer part will be made up of something that is not so reactive. Because that's why
Can I ask
we use some of the
gunpowder ఎందుకు సార్ క్రాకర్స్ లో వాడరు?
gunpowder.
క్రాకర్స్
Who told gunpowder? We are not using gunpowder in crackers.
Yes, sir. Some of the gunpowder.
Of course, we are using it in less quantity, but we should use it. Okay.
If you want to
And gunpowder is costly also, so that will use as minimum as required. Okay, sit down. So there is a non-metal name sulfur. Yeah, this is used in firecrackers. You know, as this is very reactive. Huh? Yeah, of course, harmful. This is used in firecrackers. Yeah. And as we told, gunpowder. Yeah, well.
Gold is water.
Very good. Ornamental purpose. Gold and silver used for ornamental purpose. Okay, can you know? What? Okay, can you know any of the chemicals that are made of metals and non-metals? Chemical name of some of the substances. Like as we use, what we used in that experiment, reactive with metal, acids. Magnesium, ribbon. Very good. No, what is that chemical we use? Arey. We use dilute HCl, right? HCl, H2SO4, right? So what is there in that HCl? Chlorine is there now. So what is the chlorine? Metal or non-metal? Very good. Write hydrochloric acid. Open table number 10. Table number 10, page number 60 in old textbook. Write in that hydrochloric acid, HCl. What happened? Hydrochloric acid. Yeah, page number 60, table number 10. Last table in the chapter.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, already it's given. Sulfuric acid, sulfur, and it is non-metal. Yeah, that's it. And I already told you example hydrochloric acid, and by next class fill this table. Sepsinate and fill this table.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Okay, let's quickly revise.
Sir, I have it.
Wait, yeah, very good.
Sir, we use magnesium crystals inside.
Magnesium crystal. When we use that?
Because
Okay, fine. We use magnesium.
that why can't we catch the crystals with
Magnesium. We can catch it, right?
with hand?
Yeah, with hand because it is reactive and it can be harmful to our hands. That's why most of the metals, most of the reactive metals and some of the non-metals also. Sulfur also we shouldn't touch with hand because that's reactive and that's not safe for us. Okay? Sit down. Let's quickly revise what we discussed. Say one of the use. Wait, stand up.
About metals and non-metals. sir.
Yeah. Uses of it. Say any of the use.
About electricity purpose.
Very good. Electricity. And you stand up.
For cooking ornaments, for cooking.
For cooking. Yeah. For making
Or
appliances.
Sir.
Right? Yeah. You. Any of the use of non-metal. Yeah.
Sir, carbon.
Yeah. Very good. Carbon used in.
Benches.
Yeah. Benches and all. Very good. And this core is also used in
metals and non-metals.
heating water, and so that we can even produce electricity using that vapors to run the turbines. Okay? Any other use?
Sir, with hand.
Yeah, stand up.
So for experimental purpose, sir.
Very good. For experimental purpose. If both of these, both metals and non-metals are used in experimental purpose. For conforming and all. Yeah, stand up. Huh? Very good. Sulfur is used in crackers as that is reactive. Very good, Murli. Sit down.
Sir, for metals.
Yeah, stand up.
For safety, sir.
For safety, very good.
Yes, we are using for product.
Yeah.
Protecting us.
Yeah, for protecting, for making shields and all.
Yes.
For metals, we use wiring and experimental purpose.
For metal,
Both are metals.
very good. Boat and vehicles.
Wiring and
Yeah, wiring, very good. Sit down.
Sir, comfort.
Very good. Comfort.
For AC fans.
Yeah, very good. Electric appliances. Okay. So, by next day, write these chemicals. Sepsinate,